Hi guys, it's playtime.
Today we have Disney Princess Magical Fishing Game. You wanna open the box now? So we
Yeah.
can start fishing?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go open the box.
Hey, what's this?
Okay, open it.
Ah, ah, ah.
Oh. First, we need to open this so we can put the battery. We need AA batteries. Let's open it. There you go. There you go. Give me the second battery. Push. Okay. There you go.
Okay.
Close it up.
Okay.
Uh-oh.
Okay. We need these. We need these things. Yeah. This.
Let's open this one. What's in here? Here we have 4 pretend fishing rod. And let's put the stickers on it.
What sticker we like?
Here's the stickers. Okay. Put one here, like this. And next. There's one more. Okay, here.
This mine can help
here.
you. Okay, oh, fishing water.
Are you ready to start fishing?
Yeah.
Alright, let's start fishing. Whoever catches most of the magical gems is the winner.
You ready?
I am ready. Ready? Get it? Go! Yay, I got one. I got 2. Uh-oh. I got 3. I got 3. I'll put mine here. I'll help you. Yay!
Yay, I got one.
Yay!
Okay, the pink.
Okay,
How I get the pink?
when it opens up, see? Whoa!
I got one.
More.
Okay, the blue.
Oh, I lost it. Oh no! Whoa! You got the blue!
And
Wow!
roses.
Okay, I got more. There's more. It's okay, it's okay.
I got one. Yay, I win.
Not yet! Not yet! Oh no, I lost it. Oh, I got one! What color do you like?
Pink.
Pink? Okay. Let's catch the pink. Open! Oh!
I win.
Uh-oh. Now put that pin here.
I win. Okay, the blue.
Blue, okay. Wow!
I win.
Put that in here.
Almost.
Almost? Oh, got it. side. That's mommy's side. I got one.
I want this.
Yeah.
Yay! I win!
Put that in here. Yay.
I got one.
Put that here. Uh-oh. I got the blue.
Ow, I get it.
You almost get it. Oh, I got white one. Uh-oh, got it. Get it. Yay. Uh-oh.
I've lost it.
You lost it. Okay. Up. Ooh. Oh, you got it. You got it.
I win. Here's one left.
There's one left. I get it.
No, I'll get it.
Okay. I get it.
No, it's don't fish that one. Hey.
Okay, get it. Yay!
Okay, that's enough.
Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more videos and don't forget to subscribe.
Have a good one.